Welcome to Organic Care. Organic Care offers an extensive selection of encapsulated supplements including single herbal capsules, many of which are made with natural herbals, standardized herbal extract capsules, herbal formula capsules and nutritional supplements, taking herbal remedies and supplements in capsules form in any easy and convenient way to get the nutrients one's body needs. Or capsulated supplements deliver specific amount of the desired nutrients in a low to no calorie form. Each herbal capsule contains up to 8 times the nutrients when compared to the raw herbs, thus being very potent. Encapsulated supplements taken regularly and in addition to a healthy diet promote optimum health and well-being, supplying premium quality herbals and botanical. For 10 years, Organic Care is committed to the strictest quality control inspection procedures. Our quality control technicians hand selected only superior quality whole herbals and botanical for processing. After milling of our facility, the powdered herbals are the quality inspected, encapsulated and tested before packaging. All steps ensure a superior quality and especially potent herbal supplements. I am working as healthcare consultant a long time in China, India, Malaysia, Singapore and Hong Kong. I served approximately 100,000 plus people as my patients. Chinese people asked with me about traditional Indian herbal food supplements for wellness them. So I was thinking about starting Organic Care food supplements company. Now we are one of the Indian 5000 MSME company. We are researching, developing, manufacturing and marketing. I visited all over in India, China, Malaysia, Singapore, Hong Kong, Thailand, Indonesia, Sri Lanka, Vietnam and Middle East countries for learning about healthcare and attended more seminars and study classes and visited more healthcare museums and libraries and healthcare companies. Alternative medicines are big solution for human well-being. Organic Care focused wellness industries and wellness revolution. Our slogan is a good work for health. We are making our food supplements with organic and natural ingredients and keep all regulation food safety standards of India FSSAI, Good Manufacturing Practice GMP, ISO 9001 2015, Halal and HACCP. Disclaimer: our products and services not diagnose or cure any diseases. This is food supplements only for your wellness and not medicines. No side effects, no toxin effects, free from any type of additives, microbes, preservatives and pesticides. If you have created any problems after using our products, then please stop for 3 days and continue after 3 days. Then you can avoid that problems. If in case continuing your problems, then please contact our customer care doctors via mobile or WhatsApp or email, or please consult your registered doctor. We have 13 type of herbal food supplements. One is aloe vera capsules. Dosage 1 or 2 capsule twice daily with meals. Aloe vera capsule for general health and healthy skin and hair. Soothes rashes and skin irritation, heals cold sores and treats GM burns, moisturized hair, scalp and treats constipation, helps with digestion and boosts immune system, provides antioxidants and reduces inflammation, good for healthy skin and hair, good cycle and infertility problems, etc. Solution of IBS and PMS, good for irregular menstrual cycle and infertility problems, etc. Second one, Herbadi, herbal health tea for general health. Usage: 1 liter boiled water and put 1 teaspoon Herbadi powder and drink 3 glass empty stomach and 2 glass after food twice daily. Indications: anti-stress, anti-aging, control body weight, swelling and urine infection, cough and cold, indigestion, etc. Third one, neem capsule, herbal antibiotic. Dosage: 1 or 2 capsules twice daily with meals. Improve digestion process, absorbing moisture from the intestine, dries up and cleans up moisture in wound and ulcers, good for diabetics, control reduces urine infection, good for hemorrhoids, skin diseases, relieves bleeding disorders, good for bronchitis and cold, good for liver fat, uric acid and kidney disorders, good for under eye dark circles, acne and pimples, good for eczema, psoriasis and dandruff, etc. 4. Spirulina capsule, superfood. Dosage: 1 or 2 capsules twice daily with meals. Richest source of vitamins, minerals, trace elements, enzymes, coenzymes and high nutrients and richest proteins. Vegetable source of omega-6 fatty acid and GLA, gamma linolenic acid. Highest known source of beta carotene, powerful antioxidant and provided instant energy. Richest source of chlorophyll, develop hemoglobin facility, prevent all diseases, cholesterol and fat burning. 5. Jamun capsule for diabetic free life. Dosage: 1 or 2 capsule twice daily after meals. Indications: controlling diabetes, helping with heart diseases, protecting liver, good for skin, teeth care, treating sore throat and cough, prevent cancer, improves bone strength, treating asthma, treats infection, etc. 6. Amla Plus, natural vitamin C. Dosage: 1 or 2 capsule twice daily with meals. Indications: hair care, eye care, improve in calcium absorption, improves metabolic activity, treats menstrual cramps, control diabetics, diuretic, improve digestion, prevent heart diseases, treat infection, relieves diarrhea and dysentery, improves appetite, anti-aging properties and wonderful antioxidants, etc. 7. Wheatgrass capsule. Dosage: 1 or 2 capsule twice daily before meals. Indications: good for weight control, increase hemoglobin, increase gastric juice, good for piles and hemorrhoids, instant energy and cleanse body, control cholesterol and diabetic, remove bones diseases, improve liver and kidney function, reduce obesity and liver fat, etc. 8. Ashwagandha capsule. Dosage 2 or 4 capsule twice daily after dinner. Indications: anti-stress and anti-depression, prevent Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, anti-aging and boosting immunity, good for sexual relaxation. Nickname: Indian Viagra and Indian Ginseng. Anti-cancer agent as it slows the growth of cancerous tumors, making sound sleep and reducing arthritis and rheumatism. Control diabetes and asthma and cholesterol levels. Stimulates the thyroid gland, increases fertility in men, etc. 9. Glucosamine capsule for healthy joint. Dosage 1 or 2 capsule twice daily with meals. Indications: glucosamine is a natural sugar found in and around the fluid and tissues that cushion your joints. This tissues is called cartilage. Glucosamine is also found in the hard covering of shellfish. Glucosamine sulfate supplements are often made using shellfish. The substance can also be made in a laboratory. This widely used supplement that may help ease pain in the people with osteoarthritis. Osteoarthritis happens when cartilage breaks down. This can cause joint pain and knee pain. 10. Brahmi capsule. Dosage 1 or 2 capsule twice daily with meals. Indications: improve memory and concentration ability, relieve stress and prevent cancer, increase sexual function, removes toxins in the body, treat respiratory conditions, protect from the mental disorders, boost immunity system and reduce inflammation, control blood sugar level, treats digestive issues, treats epilepsy, anxiety, prevent Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, etc. 11. Moringa capsule. Nourishes and general health. Dosage 1 or 2 capsules twice daily with meals. Indications: prevents diabetes and heart diseases, protect from anemia and arthritis, remove toxins from liver and kidney, improve respiratory functions, improve skin moisture, prevent digestive disorders, promote calcium, vitamin A, vitamin E and potassium, provide more proteins and nutrients, good for eye and ear, etc. 12. Curcumin capsule. Dosage 1 or 2 capsule twice daily with meals. Indications: natural anti-inflammatory compound, provided more antioxidant, boost brain derived neuropathic factor, improved brain function and lower risk of brain diseases, reduce your risk of heart diseases, prevent and treat cancer, prevent and treat Alzheimer's diseases, arthritis. Patients respond very well. Incredible benefits against depression, anti-aging and fight with age-related chronic diseases, etc. Last one, 13. Shatavari capsule. Dosage 1 or 2 capsule twice daily with meals. Shatavari is natural active calcium. Shatavari means having 100 roots and also referred to as having 100 husbands. Healthy female reproductive system. Improve breast milk production. Balanced female hormones. Support male reproductive system. Improve breast milk production. Balanced female hormones. Support male reproductive system. Soothing effect on digestion. Healthy peristalsis of bowels. Moisturizing support of the respiratory system. Promotes healthy energy levels and strength. Support the immune system. Natural antioxidant properties. Richest source of calcium, etc.